When it comes to IoT, there are 5 key challenges that are facing mobile network operators right now. And those 5 key challenges are historical. They're to do with how the industry has been and continues to be structured. Let's take the first 2. Roaming. Roaming is the common model. It works for consumer devices, but it doesn't work for IoT. Why? Well, first of all, you want 100% connectivity globally. No operator in the world has a roaming agreement with every other operator in the world. So there are always coverage gaps. It is impossible to get 100% coverage through roaming. Secondly, roaming contracts are increasing in price or being turned off. Now, why is that happening? And the reason is financial. The cost of data has been coming down at 25% a year for the last 5 years. That's great for consumers. But the operator that receives a roaming connection only gets 20% of the revenue for an operator that sells it. So as data prices come down, there's a increasing financial disincentive to accept roaming. Essentially, they're getting 20% of a smaller and smaller number. How are they reacting? They're increasing taxes on roaming, called access fees, or they're simply saying, I won't do roaming. So these first 2 issues are massive issues for operators. Let's move on now to just the affordability of any new solution for mobile network operators. The biggest thing in telecom right now is the adoption of 5G. And collectively around the world, operators are spending about $1 billion building IoT infrastructure. It's the biggest investment they've made for many, many years. It's hugely important for them to sell new value-added services, very high-speed connectivity around the world. What does that mean in the context of IT? It means that all the money is going to the 5G build-out. And so they have less and less money to spend on upgrading their IoT stacks. It's another reason why they're under pressure to invest in IoT, because it's just affordability. At the same time, the market is dominated by legacy connectivity management platforms like Cisco Jasper or Ericsson's IOTA. These platforms were not built for eSIM orchestration, and they're very expensive for the operators. So they've got this twin effect of not having any money to invest, whilst at the same time having to spend a lot of money on legacy platforms. And then finally, there's a future threat coming to them on the horizon. As I said, $1 billion being invested in 5G. Sounds like an opportunity. The problem is, key benefit of 5G is all about speed. If you are going to do a roaming connection on 5G, you're backhauling the data, which means it's not fast anymore. So you're selling 5G, but you can't deliver 5G. And also you can't deliver things like quality of service, network slicing from somebody else's network. So all of these issues make it very, very difficult for mobile network operators to invest and grow their IoT business, which is why they're turning to Eseye's Integra solution, because we solve all of those issues for them.